We're now on the Death Railway. This is the railway track where all the American prisoners of war built during the World War II.
我吓死我，真的我吓到我觉得我头晕了，我整个人
Yeah, we made it! So guess what's all this? This is marijuana, right? They're plentiful here in Thailand. Wait, that's it.
快丢出去啊！就过去那边了。我爸住了，你为什么不要喂救我？喂我妈吓的。为什么不要喂？好笑。你快点。
Wow, wasn't a fun trip, man.
Fun
We
trip.
feed all the animals here with cucumber. I thought they are vegetarian, but I don't think so lah. They see us bring cucumber again, very boring, you know.